Hello everybody, this is your Juicer Kim Matchmaker team at Home Smart. Today I'm sitting in front of this beautiful lady at Eakins again, and let's ask her name and find out what she's up to. May I have your name?
Hi, I'm Lauri with
And what do you do for a living?
I'm a financial service professional with New York Life.
Oh, okay. How did you get into the business?
Well, my previous occupation was in accounting. I have an accounting background, and also I did training and special projects to help people improve the quality of their lives. So this was a perfect culmination of what I did before and a way to continue to help people in a different way.
Oh wow. Okay. Sounds like you're definitely in the right profession. 'Cause I know you're a very caring person. And Lauri, so what kind of people should go for you to your service?
Well, honestly, everybody needs to speak to a financial service professional, whether you're just starting out in life or you're about to retire. Everybody needs a plan, and it starts with the foundation is protection. So when you're first starting out in life, you need protection, and you need to ensure your eligibility, because in the future, when you're young and healthy, most people think they don't need insurance then, but that's when you need to get it, because it'll be more affordable and you're more likely able to get it. Later on in life, you never know what life's going to throw at you, and you may not be able to get insurance. So when you're young and healthy is when you should get it.
Oh wow. Okay, thank you for bringing that up, because I thought I can only speak about myself, but I didn't think about getting any kind of insurance when I was in 20s. And the first time my husband and I started talking about insurance was when we had our first child. That was a time when we had life insurance. Only life, like big things happen in our life that we as people tend to look into, like insurance to cover our loved ones.
Yeah, that is. A lot of people, when they get married, when they buy their first house, when they have their first child, when a loved one dies, those are all events, life events that trigger people to seek us out. But truly, if you start when you're young, every plan changes, because life is going to change. So if I would say to a 20-year-old, we would start out with what you can afford, and one of the misconceptions is that it's unaffordable, but there's something for everyone. A term policy for a young person is like very, very inexpensive, and that gives you a step to build on, because it can be converted over time, and as you get married, then things are going to change. You're going to have children, so your need is going to be different throughout your life. And me and my partner Ellen are always there to keep in touch with our clients and to adjust as life changes.
Oh my goodness, you brought a very, very great point. Many of them. So people should not wait until they start making money to look into those insurance. Insurance is insurance, right? They have to be prepared for any unpredictable events in your life. Okay, great. Wow.
Yeah, and it's much more than just insurance. We help people plan for their retirement, investments, and there are growing concerns within long-term care, because people are living longer nowadays. So there's a greater chance, if you have any assets when you're older, you want to protect them. You work so hard to build this nest egg, and you don't want to lose it all because of a long-term care event. So we help people, we educate people on the options that are available to them so that they can make the best choice for them and their families.
I also hear a lot of people have this idea about investing with life insurance companies in general. That what if we lose money?
Well, New York Life, I am proud to say, we are one of the top 6 financial investment companies in the world. Other investment companies give us their money to manage, and we have some things that are unique to New York Life. First of all, we have an income preservation rider with our annuities where you're guaranteed that you'll never get back less than you gave us.
So in other words, if I invest $100,000 and even if the market goes down, my $100,000 is guaranteed.
Absolutely.
I see. That's a great point.
So that allows you to invest a little bit more risky, so the growth will be better, so you get all of the upside and none of the downside.
Okay, I don't see any reason why anybody would not want to go talk to you to get like a financial consultation. Because you don't charge for it, do you?
No, we absolutely do not. We do not charge for our time, and honestly, it's our mission, mine and Ellen's mission, to make sure that everybody has peace of mind and they can sleep at night. And if you have plans in place, we're happy to look at them and see if they still suit your goals. If they do, great. You can sleep at night and you don't have to worry about it. But at least you know, because people have a tendency to purchase financial products or anything for that matter and put it in a drawer and then they forget about it, and then life happens and they don't even remember what they had. Well, we keep in touch with people so that they know that what they have is suitable for them.
It sounds like you really provide a personalized and holistic approach to take care of your clients.
We do. And like I said, education is key, because there are so many misconceptions about life insurance. People think it's just life insurance, and that, like I said, it's not affordable. That's a misconception. And there are living benefits to life insurance as well. It's not only if you die, your family gets money. I mean, there are cash value components to it. There are riders that can help you with long-term care. As a matter of fact, I had a client who was young, 38 years old, had 2 little kids, and he got life insurance from me through his employer, because we also do employee benefits. And he was like, okay, put on the chronic care rider. I told him it would be silly not to get it because it's so affordable. Well, he got the policy, and 3 months later he went to London, slipped in the bathroom and cracked his head on the sink, and he didn't work for 2 years. While he was out, New York Life, he had a waiver of premium on his policy, so they paid for his premium for that whole time. He also had that chronic care rider, so he got $3,800 a month for 2 years to help him offset the costs of not working and help pay somebody to come in and take care of him. And he still had life insurance, so if he died, his family would be protected. So it's invaluable. There are so many other things that are associated with it than just life insurance.
That is an amazing story, getting $3,800, and at age 38, who would expect anything like that happen? You
It's
think
true.
you are, untouchable, right?
Yeah, we all think that nothing's ever going to happen to us.
Right. Oh my God, Lauri, thank you so much for sharing that great information. And I see that now, regardless of your age and condition, you need to talk to Lauri. Lauri, how people can find you? What is your phone number?
My phone number is 516-507 4663.
Do you have an email?
Yes. That's a long one, so hold on. It's LLOQUERCIO at F like in Frank, T like in Thomas, dot NewYorkLife.com. That's long. But you can find me on the Valley Stream Chamber of Commerce website because I am a member and have been for many years.
Yes, you've been a dedicated member to Chamber for many years. Well, Lauri, I have to say thank you so much for your time and sharing that great information.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure.